I'll buy it.
With fidget toys.
Yeah! I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
I'm just not excited about this elevator.
Okay, we are looking for fidget toys. We are at TJ Maxx and let's see what we can find. The toys are over there. Let's see. Oh, what is this? Squeeze. Oh, are these fidget toys, maybe?
Yeah, I think they are.
Oh my gosh.
A fidget toy.
That's so cool.
And
I
then
like that.
Infinity? No, this is not Infinity Cube. I don't know.
That's cool. So these are fun to squeeze,
bubbles,
clean
I
and
think?
no mess. Squeezy. No, we're not doing that one.
There's fidgets.
Oh, look at these fidgets are so cute.
There's so much
You found fidgets? Ready? Go.
Squishmallow.
Look at the big pillow. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, nice one.
Look at this pillow. Heart. Look at the heart one.
Hershey's
So
Kisses.
beautiful.
Sweet. Look at this one. You
cute.
melt my heart.
Oh, look over here.
Oh, I
Okay.
love this one.
Okay, guys, she likes this one, so I'm gonna do that one. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, Mimi, ready? If you catch it, I'll buy it. Oh no! Oops, sorry. This one. Okay, if you catch it, I'll buy it. Woohoo! You got it. Put it in the car. Okay, I like this Puppet Jumbo LOL Surprise Star. That's a pink star. Let's see if she can catch it. Mimi, if you catch it, I'll buy it. Ooh. Okay, this is so cute. This is a purse. It's a bag. Toy puppet. And it's a unicorn. That is so beautiful. I wish she can catch it. Ready, Mimi? To catch it, I'll buy it. Yay! You got it! Put it in the cart. Okay, I really like this one. It's the guitar, the microphone, and the music thing. And I'm gonna see if she can catch it. Okay, I have it right here, Mimi. If you catch it, I'll buy it.
Okay.
Put it in the car. Mimi wants me to buy this.
Yes, I love this. I love
You
it.
do? But it's not a fidget.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
No, it's not a fidget. It's makeup.
Please.
And it has glitter
Please.
and eyeshadows, lip gloss, mirror, blush. Wow.
Body shimmer and
Mhm.
highlighter. Please. Please.
Okay, if you catch it. You
Okay.
have to catch it.
Okay.
So I
okay,
can buy
okay,
it.
Okay.
If you catch it, I'll buy it. Put it in the cart.
Okay.
This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, take it off. We have it up. Is the donut, the popsicle, and the cupcake. I love this. And let's see if you can catch it. Where is she? Mimi! Mimi! If you catch it, I'll buy it. Oh, sorry. Let's put it back. Okay, I love this one. And it glows in the dark. And let's see if she can catch it. Mimi, if you catch it, I'll buy it. Put it in the car.
Okay, let's see if I can
There.
make it. Ready?
Set, go. No, you have to do it again.
Ready?
Come on, get up.
I did. Okay, guys. Let's see if she can catch this one. Okay, I think she will. Ready? Mom,
Yes.
if you catch it, I'll buy it. Put it in the cart.
Okay, I found the amazing toy mystery. So I want to see if she can catch that. Let's see, I think there's 5 eggs inside. Mimi, if you catch it, I'll buy it. Woohoo! Put it in the cart.
Okay, I'm gonna make it.
Go, Mimi. Woo, you did it.
Okay, guys. I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. I think she's gonna like it. Okay, let's see if she catches it or not. Mom, if you catch it, I'll buy it.
Okay, I think she really liked this pillow. So I'm gonna see if she can catch it. Mimi, if you catch it, I'll buy it. What are you doing?
I catched it.
I'm gonna do this one. It's so cute. I love it. So let's see if she can catch it. Mimi, if you catch it, I'll buy it. Yeah.
Let's see if I can make it from here. Okay, I love this one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, you missed. All right, put it in the cart.
Okay, I feel like she's gonna catch this one. She loves big pockets. Okay, let's see. Mom, if you catch it, I'll buy it. No way! There's no way!
Oh my god, I got it. Woohoo. You're lucky.
Oh my god. Okay, put it in the cart. Woo! Oh my god.
Okay, so we are ready to leave.
Yes.
And you want to show what we got?
Yeah. So first we got,
The game.
yeah, the fidget puppet game.
The game. And
And then we got this
the big
heart.
pillow.
And then we
Hold
got
it.
this. And we got
Okay.
this squishmallow.
So we have 3. Put it under. Yeah, let's put the stuff under. So now we have 3.
And then we have this one that I
4.
like absolutely love.
It's not a fidget, but you catch it. So we have 4.
And then we have this fidget toy box.
5.
5.
And then we have 6.
6.
This one 6.
7.
7.
8.
8.
9.
9.
10.
10.
11.
You have a lot. Uh-oh. Okay, that was all for today.
Yes.
And thank you for watching.
Bye.
We love you. Bye.